What a shame. It is not saga. What I tell you, I say, people insulting your parents, insulting your family, your children, your everything that concerns you, that is dealing to you. Then they will not call it saga. I've been saying it that it's not saga. You people think that there's saga, they will think, go reach your tongue. Today, na sister Rita body. Tomorrow, you don't know when will be your home. And the time I say, you people should not use this that social media. It happens on daily basis. It happens, say, you know, the social media. That is on oppression. Those are the act of the narcissist. I'm telling you, people should. This will not be novel. I say you're going to read novel. You don't get a chance to read novel. Go to YouTube. Go and be listening to videos of the narcissists. This is the way the narcissists behave. They want to have control of everything. Especially when you are an empathy to them. When you have what they don't have, you become their supply. Supply means that you become their target. Because everything in your life is what they want to have. Is what they are dreaming of. They don't have it. Just name it now. The people that conspirate this thing, tell me how happy are they in their life. Just tell me, but just one. These people wait to have. Tell me, which happiness is their life? Eh? Which happiness is their life? You know they. And everything they have planned all these years is continuing returning back to them. It continues knocking on their doors. The shame at this case will enter their body, so we say, they don't say no fight for my power, no fight for my power. You know the shame many weeks, that's what Papa died. Shame at this case for them to accept. Say, this thing, what you go happen now? He accepted not there. Among women, I bless nothing on the okay? Because they want you to cry with them. Because they are crier. And that cry will remain in their life. Okay? That cry will remain in their household. That's why I told us, say, make when they pray, return back to sender. Any man or woman, any prayer, even though say love you, I love you the way you love me. Because there are many people that say they love you in their mouth. Inside their heart is full of evil. Okay? Inside their heart is full of evil. So whatever you wish me, I wish you. Okay? Will you see better where I say, look at it now. Look at him, the family of Sylvester Maroni. They don't give her justice now. So make sure they're happy. Make sure they're happy so that it happen to. That's why they're going to still kill their mama tomorrow. Unnecessary. When I go here, the cost my mama the Sylvester cost, and I'm going to do that video this evening. Is anybody will take it here and was okay with it? That kind of thing will still happen. That kind of thing will still happen to that person's family. So make sure they clap on the happen, say yes. Now my mama happen to. When I forget, say these are the way the maniash, the repeated evildoers, these are the way they have been doing. That when they come, when they go bring you come, you get any problem with them, you know what they say you don't want to pay. They will go carry you to the church to your man. That was how they carry Yelana entered the social media. They consider us Yoruba. We can't defeat them because I stand it back with the Bible says, hold on, water. It will not prevent this social media. We defeated them there. They tried to take it to intimidate people, especially me. I said no for good 2 years. I said like that. Only cost we not let darkness can work together. Now what now? What's happened? Check the house. So the same thing. When I just said these people, they are not working alone. They are not working alone. The people, even the one we want to see there, all those or repeated, you may not be of the old ones. They don't know themselves. When they call here, mommy, they are all together. Okay? They are working together. Because they don't want anybody to start killing on this social media. Because they cannot do it with their full face. They actually cannot do it because they will flash them out. So what is the problem? And secondly, if they have anything happen, they want you as a presenter, make this one not talking, make this one not talking, to hide it under the carpet for them. That's why they do not want anybody, any presenter to stand killing, but when they cannot control. They say they don't control me. I tell them, say me, I tell you. My viewers no want for social media. Viewers not the but God give me the money. I don't get the money. Okay? But me, I go continue to the expose now. This is the tactic of a lunatic people, a narcissist. They were not able, okay? They were not able to shut up everybody. They have tried to shut up with juju and everything. But today, they are not using police. Ojo Lovett come out for me last year without me even nominating her for one day. She insulted everything about her family from head to side. So, she was not waiting for me to come down so low to say that I go tell police, come go arrest the family. Say, insult my father, insult my mother. I did not answer now. But I pray to God Almighty. The waiting that will befall on her and all the evil group that they are conspiracy this thing, they will not survive it. How are they not going to be surviving it? Let me say they go die you. With our eyes and our ear, we will see the end of the wicked. Not if you ask them what, not be monetization. All your money tell you don't monetize that. Make the money now. Make the money. If you go marry or see me now. If you ask marry, because people are tired and sick of every year by year. Year by year, we see new year. In Italy to the 6th January, we are in Befania. What did these people just under New Year? What do they just conspirate and bring out now? To go arrest somebody his mother. Say, Saka, you are the one that look for them. Okay? You are the one that look for them first. This one, the second way they talk, say, go arrest Frank brother. Frank brother. If I got to remember, Frank came out and said sorry to Rita. Because he knows that he was so wrong. So for you people to put it now, say, he go arrest Frank brother. I'm not saying, I'm not in any group. But they say, he said if you can't beat the join the, but you want to join the good one. Okay? I'm not joining any group, but the truth I must stand because it's the truth that will set you free. If Frank not that he did not get the wrong Rita, well after he came out and said sorry to Rita. Eh? Why later come out and say sorry to Rita? Make una the enjoy now. Make una enjoy. But when they closed my foundation that year, I cried that. Nobody, okay? Nobody come and look and nobody talk for me. Obaseki is not closing foundations. People want to come out because injustice for Gladys is so good. Injustice about Gladys is so good. But remember when I said, when injustice for one is injustice for all. Okay? Injustice for one is injustice for all. Make una dey clap and say, I'm not saying Rita. The two Franco, but as far as Franco come out to say, I'm sorry to Rita, this is the person that burned me, that persuaded me to do it. Rita did not talk to Frank once. Just like this John Lovett. And that's 2 years ago, she was the one that came to me. She even told me to join her, we should come together to be fighting Lolo and Monica. I said, no, I'm not part of it. Okay? Later, table cut on. Because I know say like that will they go. Now we see this. So last year, November, she came after me. So when I want to tell her so I be a big boy, I'm here. So for I'm on the bill. Oh, I'm going to the bill. I've just worked well. Make una do now. After this one now, who again? Who again? When I want to tell police not be shoot again. I beg. You are taking the first step for going to court. Don't go back, oh. Don't go back. You know when they say they can't be go court here. They take out the prayer and say, when they go to be a court with drunkers, I said, no. We must go to court. We must go to court. Now I tell you, so Sister Rita, if you are going to court, don't go with 5 hours a video. Go to 2 minutes. Kisna Mabude, he bring a video of 3 hours. When George look my video, where they just George gonna laugh. Later, when I gonna talk, the woman when they interpret, he was not telling the judge, see what I talk. The judge was not tired of the video of me when Kisna Mabude carry court. Now I tell her, Josh, don't tell you, say it's okay. I got my own video. And you know what happened? Before that day, let's see 5 hours, 3 hours video, let me be sticking to. When we call enter When we go enter court, the judge called the house the carabinieri and the prosecutor. Me ain't like this video because you know if you look on the may not still see my own evidence. That prosecutor said they don't look for the nonsense. Now I tell my judge, now I tell my lawyer, say tell judge say lie to lie. Make we close this case, make we close this case today. And if they don't see my own video can come, and they go bring my own come. if the prosecutor don't get my own cabinet collect from me I go ask go duplicate because I get down 10. I do it for different, I do it for city, I do it for key. Okay? I said that nobody. The next court there I go bring my own. God so kind. My own for still make lawyer a judge tire. That them to say that that's the work of God for you. That is the work of God for you. When I want to go, God so kind. The video where I go carry go be 3 minutes video. That's why I just said anything when come there to me, I forgive her. Now can't they come go bring that video come for me? Because I will not get that full video again. That's why the people who say come meet me. When they're going to do kunu, and they make sure I collect something from them. That's why I say no matter what you come they go do to me today, I forgive her because that day, that video was one of the videos where I said get my victory. That is God for you. When I call the court in and I come carry my video go was just 5 minutes so the judge really enjoyed that. He said these are the video we are looking for. Maybe that 5 hours so because the judge contacted after me and there's like 1 hour before I go start, I go talk for almost 1 hour 30 minutes. Before I go talk with I want talk, okay? So my people, about Sister Rita, anybody when they say they won't carry police call, then they say you must go court. Okay? And if you are going to court, just go to cut all those points. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, because there's no judge that will sit down there to be looking like all these lunatic people. Talking trash. Because they are frustrated on Europe. And secondly, I want everybody to start watching the videos of narcissists. The way these people are behaving is a real narcissist. They are frustrated. They are not tired. So they bring out new tactics every day to call you to their court. Don't go. If there's something, even though say they gather together today, they curse you. As I do this video, all of them will come out. I didn't know who. Since 5 years, they have been cursing. Now their life, they go back, me and go front. Okay? Because they even to say, if the person will not better pass will curse you. Never you go down so no say no curse you again. Okay? So my people, go to the watch narcissists. Their life, they don't have anything. Maybe somebody just have to hit up that 2 house. Just because they tell them. They tell us, say, if it fit, they go join and drive people into house. They go join and destroy people's life. Only she'll call them for social media. I'm not met it keke na answer. I'm not met it social media keke. And I 1 year 6 months to there. To the apology. And I'm so they promise some. They be promise some. Okay? Say they go help her. Only she go take it back. Only she go say hey. Only she go do this. Only she go do that. I'm married by frustration like that. This is what I want people to do. Continue ignoring them. If you want to kill your enemy, let them from if assassin no say he no issue and I combine it. Do you know what I've known them as a liar, as a frustrated people? Don't go solo. Me this year, I will be the last person to respond to their call, to anything they will say. They don't make kata. They don't make kata. Me affect when you go say all the causes when she lay on other people's husband, it's there for your husband body. All the causes when she love for people shoot their body, and I'm with your body and I'm a meditation. Right, Anna. I'm a meditation. And till 100 years to come, it's a generational curse. Because if you cannot defend that for your whole soul, you are nobody. You're not supposed to be called a mother, not to talk of a woman. Okay? So enough is enough. Shame on Unamona at the house. 2022 just started. Look at the look at it, because people are crying. That time you need to have expected to matter for state where there is a sort of narcissist. When you are better than them, they want to die. They will do anything to kill, but they will die. Because they are the person that is seeing you as a target, that is seeing you as an enemy. So you continue shining. Okay? You continue shining, they will continue dying. Because he will never get that friendship. I force someone will say, you cannot force somebody to be your friend. And you cannot ever be a friend to a narcissist. You can never be a friend to a narcissist. Because you can come to them to be your friend. Tomorrow they go change again. They are like a chameleon. They are like a chameleon. So I said, you get what you no get. They don't have happiness. See their life now. See their life. Name it. Name it. Somebody come out and fight for his own uncle. I said, no. My uncle, you started my uncle. This same person come out and disgrace this person. Make you wear. We got to take you. We marry you. My uncle, where I can. Can your father go now? Can your father go? Take it, get we. Okay? Get we. Take the bin and then I marry bin and when I hear the best way she say, she not come say sorry. Say, oh, my uncle is dead. I'm not discussing it. We are not discussing anybody. Mother can go court, say you cost me. I reply you. Okay? You cost my own parents. So maybe say you do one video. Video yourself every blessed day. Other video where I tell reply you when I even reply you. You call yourself say because are you not court, that you not police, and you know this one. Shame on una. Shame on una. We are work. Ooh. Work. Ooh. You know what I meant to be? I want because you people are already dead among the living. Dead among the living. If you ask me, we got it. Ugly people go on. If husband and wife is working, oh my God, it's the best in life. It was just even Lord, only husband they work, but there must be income, source of income from outside. Say you depend on social media money. You want to bring people that to make money on social media. Ooh, create your content. Ask other people that is making real money. Husband and wife can make money on social media, but by them doing make I block this one in Lajava. Oh my God! Better do what? See the people want to escort now. The man who want to come out see the people want to clap and follow. I'm not going to be a special. I'm not even a special. And to just like and to just allow it to be. I want to ask Sanita. Anybody when they do like that, anybody who want their care, cut it, and you must go to court. Even though they say they want to withdraw the case, get away. That is why I'm going to Nuna. And then I'm with me and Nuna with the go court. When the level they prove on my body side they extract money, may they call court, may they call talker. Or come. Because some of the same could carry case sentence. I say lie. And we get lava. Now you carry me go to the go finish. Go finish. Now I tell this case, I got this case. So if you know, I said if you not go for them, no go look for them. Okay? Don't go and look for them. If they can't look for you, don't go back. Follow the chest of heart because it's God that you are serving. Even if you they serve, anything when they serve, as far as you go look for that person. Shame and disgrace. Now the person will come look for you, go back. Now they go take pain, now they go take noam. All the shame and disgrace say you want to put for your body. You're going to a family body. You're going to his generation. Because God talk and say, I will bless those that bless you, and I will curse those that curse you. So if your God that you are serving told you that, tell me, they might go on everybody. They might go on everybody. Now they're narcissists, mad people. When I read my back, that is what they wanted to put for my body. If my mother curse, if brother they curse, he says that they curse. Woo, me are not crazy. Me are not crazy. I don't shame now. I don't discuss now. And discuss your call. I tell people that the people who never want. You know your Bible hula bobalawa. I tell Bible take a drive the entire house. Let the Bible they pray. And then the Bible will tell they cannot go that here. When I got here, this one fuck up, the other one fuck up. Then we get this music in my classy. Here now. Ah, wabuwa.
Sangue dalle gengive può essere l'inizio di un effetto domino verso disturbi peggiori, fino alla perdita.
The music not the pace in here. We make pay. And this music not the gift and pay. I make pay. Bobby wow. We are ooh. Work by ooh. All the buruku. All the buruku go walk. Go walk. Go walk. Come on. Come on. Wow, I say,